So here we are, day two, or round two rather, of the blizzard. Here's my house in the blizzard. I just came and did some shoveling, and these are my neighbor's house. A truck is successfully making it down the street, as you can see over the mounds of snow. And as I kind of walk down the street, right here is my car. That big old lump, that's the car. You can see some trees. And if I could turn it to me, this is me. And this is me standing in the snow. The snow comes up to about my knees, I guess. Looking back, see how far I can walk. Yeah, here's the car right here. You can see the end of it. Kind of walk through. You can see I'm brushing it off. There's my car. And a four-wheel drive making it down the street. So here's my car. And I don't know if you can see the blowing of the snow. It's very windy out here. It's why they call it a blizzard. If I go back, here's my mother's car. And hers isn't too bad because I shoveled it yesterday. Now the truck that I told you about, it's stuck in the middle of Sinclair Lane. Don't know if you can see. Woo. And I'm kind of trapped right here. This is probably as far as I can go. There's my backyard of my house. I'm praying that the wind doesn't knock down the tree. And here's my house. Whew. Let me take my shovel. I have to duck down a bit. And this is the path that I've cleared. I just did that in the snow. And as you can see, the snow is pretty high. Yeah. And in fact, I want to give the camera to my mother. Say, Ma, you on video? Say hi. And I want you to hold it and talk while I stand in the snowman.
Okay. This is the blizzard of 2010. Today is Wednesday, February the 10th. Here's Dion outside shoveling the snow and she's waving.
It's up to my knees.
The snow is up to her knees. And it's still coming with blizzard-like conditions. She has shoveled the walkway and it still is covered. You can see Dion is in the snow.
This is some snow.
Oh, well, cars are covered. And this is Callie. Callie is sitting here just as pretty, looking at the snow. Callie, do you like the snow? Do you like the snow, little girl? Or do you like the camera?
Now, Callie.
Mm-mm. Okay. You can turn that off. And here's Dion.
Oh, indeed,
Like a little
it is
snow.
cold outside in this blizzard. But I must say, for God to do something like this, it's still awesome. And it's beautiful. And I'm getting work done. So I ain't complaining at all. Over and out.